It's time to expand what you think you know about perfume. Welcome to episode 8 of my A to Z perfume glossary. Today's term, base notes, the foundation of every great perfume. Without them, your perfume would just be a house of cards. Base notes, called fond in French, are the slowest evaporating ingredients. They're the heavyweights: cedarwood, vanilla, musk. These molecules cling to your skin for hours, sometimes even days. But be mindful when you're examining your perfume pyramids. Some heart notes, like jasmine, can linger longer than some bases and cling to oils on your skin, defying expectations. Perfumery isn't just rules, it's where chemistry meets creativity. Much like a song's bass line or a painting's underpainting, base notes ground the composition. A perfumer's skill lies in bending or shaping them, like softening cedar's sharpness or amplifying vanilla's warmth. Masters have so much of an understanding and a respect for the foundation, they can twist it. Picasso used blue. Mozart used minor keys. Thanks for joining me. Bye.